Today, we're diving into the world of blockchain gaming, and I'll guide you through creating both a MetaMask and a Ronin wallet. So, whether you're gearing up for in-game purchases or staking rewards, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is make sure you're using a browser supported by MetaMask. I'm using Google Chrome. Head to the Chrome Web Store by clicking the puzzle icon at the top right, then select Manage Extensions. In the Chrome Web Store, search for MetaMask. Make sure it's from metamask.io and click Add to Chrome. Once added, click Add Extension. Wait for the installation to complete. You'll be asked to agree to MetaMask's terms of use. Feel free to read it, then click Agree. You'll be prompted to either import an existing wallet or create a new one. For this video, we're creating a new wallet. Click I agree. Enter your chosen password and click I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me. Then, click Create a new wallet. You can explore additional settings and features, but for now, let's click Remind Me Later and skip account security. Remember, it's advisable to review these settings for added security. Once your wallet is successfully created, click Got It to proceed. Follow the prompts by clicking Next. And there you have it. You've successfully created your MetaMask wallet. Now, onto Ronin. If you're on Mavis, click Connect Wallet or visit wallet.roninchain.com. For Android users, find Ronin in the Google Play Store. In my case, I'm using Google. Add the Ronin wallet extension. Click I'm new, set a password, and note down your seed phrase securely. Confirm. Follow the prompts, and there you have it. Your Ronin wallet is ready to roll. And there you go, fellow gamers. You've successfully set up both MetaMask and Ronin wallets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned, and until then, happy gaming.